Here's the back rooms. And here is a very funky SchindlerHaughton elevator. I think we all know and love this one. We've seen it. Other people have filmed it. This is in Toledo. Funky door sill. Take a look at these weird fixtures. They push really interesting. They do push like regular SchindlerHaughton. The indicator doesn't work anymore. There's the phone. Very rusty. We'll look at these fixtures. This whole thing shifts, watch. It's kind of loose. The Safe Ray. Interesting name for it. Very interesting buttons. I don't think this works at all. Looks like it's held together in there by tape.